Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of aviation. Today, we're going to introduce you to one of the most formidable aircraft in the sky. The F-15E StrikeEagle, America's ultimate multi-role fighter jet. With its sleek design and advanced engineering, the F-15E StrikeEagle is an embodiment of power, speed, and precision. This marvel of airborne technology was first introduced in the 1980s and has since proven its dominance in combat situations. Equipped with twin engines, this fighter jet can reach speeds of over Mach 2.5. Allowing it to rapidly respond to any threat. Its outstanding maneuverability allows the pilot to quickly outmaneuver opponents, making it a force to be reckoned with in the skies. But speed and maneuverability alone do not define the F-15E StrikeEagle's ultimate power. Its advanced avionics systems, including radar and sensors, provide an unmatched situational awareness to the pilot. This means that even in the most challenging environments, the StrikeEagle can accurately detect, track, and engage any target. One of the F-15E StrikeEagle's standout features is its versatility. Whether it's air-to-air combat, air-to-ground attacks, or even close air support, this fighter jet can do it all. It carries a wide range of munitions, including guided bombs and air-to-air missiles, giving it the capability to adapt to any mission. The F-15E StrikeEagle is not only a technological marvel, but it's also a symbol of excellence and power for the United States Air Force. The dedicated men and women who fly and maintain these jets embody the spirit of innovation. Teamwork, and a deep sense of patriotism. So, next time you look up into the sky and see this magnificent aircraft soaring high above, remember that it's more than just a machine. The F-15E StrikeEagle is a testament to America's commitment to maintaining air superiority. Protecting its people and defending freedom worldwide. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and captivating. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on aviation and military technology.